Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you about a course that I really love the most. Last week I have completed this course and I genuinely am very fond of it. And it's a course on business intelligence analysis. Basically, I love doing the analytics stuff on my own. So I research certain courses and I just in my free time. In 2 days, I have completed this course and can say if you are learning data analysis or it's similar to what we do in data analysis, but it is more like a business intelligence analysis. So we have the business data over here and there we perform certain analysis on the intelligence tools such as Power BI, Tableau, Adobe, Google Analytics. So these kind of tools are required for this, but yes, you can navigate these tools for free as well. Yeah, in this course, I have generally gone through each aspect of the business intelligence analysis, and this actually created a lot of, they have actually created a lot of knowledgeable content on how to gather data, how to clean the data, how exactly proceed with the data. So, and the course has been designed by Google, so just think of the credibility that it provides. So yes, I am very fond of it, and yes, this could be completed if you're a complete beginner and you really want to learn the data analytics stuff, or it's another name of data analytics, but it's more oriented towards the business. And if you search the jobs on data analysis and you're not finding them, then you can search with the name of business intelligence analysis. Then you will see that there are other jobs that are solely for the intelligence platform such as Power BI or Tableau. So they would require more knowledge on these kind of platforms, and yes, you will eventually find a lot of jobs and a lot of openings for them, but not on data analysis. There are openings for them, but there is a very high competition over there. So if you, in case you feel like switching, you could always switch to the business intelligence analysis, and you just don't have to give a lot of time to it. If you're a beginner, I'd say you have to give the 10 days to the course, 10 to 15 days. But if you're intermediate, somewhere in between, not very advanced of knowledge of data analysis, or you know the basics really well, so you'll require 7 to 8 days to go through these course. Basically, I have completed it in 2 days because of the fact that I have a lot of knowledge on data and stuff like that, and I wanted to go through a course, so I have gone through it. And yes, I'll show you that in a fraction of seconds, but I really want you to go through this because this is going to be really beneficial for someone who's starting to look out for other fields as well, which are analytics in nature, but they are not primarily data analysis. So yes, you can go through it. I'm gonna switch to my computer screen and show you. This is an absolutely free course, so anyone has the ability to go through this course. And yes, if you want to spend for the certification, there is a cost of 1000 rupees for the certification, but if you don't want to go for it, you can totally skip. You can order the course for completely free. I'm going to tell you how. Okay, so let's switch to the computer screen and see where is this course present. So here I'm on Coursera, and I don't you worry on that. I'm going to provide you the URL as well, and this is yes, this is a free course. Okay, if you want to just audit the course, this is absolutely free, but if you want the certification, that will not be free. And I always prefer things that are free because I have learned so many things in my life just for free because I didn't have that chance of spending a lot of fortune on getting just a job, because I belong to a very lower middle class family. That's why I prefer always to look things that are free, and I always want to provide my subscribers certain free content. So I'm just gonna go through the Google Business Intelligence course over here, and yes, I'm just gonna provide that. So this is Google's business intelligence course that I have been searching, that we were talking about. And if you look at over here, this is an advanced level of course. Okay, and I actually love this course a lot. It has 3 course series, and it is said that you could complete this in 2 months, but I can say you can complete it 10 days. I have personally completed this in 2 days because yes, I know a lot of things already. So it covers business intelligence analysis, extraction, ETL, BigQuery, dashboarding and reporting, data analysis, data modeling, business analysis, SQL, Tableau software, business processes, sheets, data visualization, effective communication, presenting data insights, data transformation. So I love all of these skills, trust me. And this also has a shareable certificate, and stakeholder management, and one of the finest courses that they have created on business intelligence analysis. It contains everything that you need as a data analyst. So why would you not go for this course, right? Okay, it has 3 modules, so 3 courses, and here is the content over here. Okay, course 1, course 2, course 3, 19, 16, 19 hours. And you can also go towards this degree as well, because this is one of the booming things in Coursera as well as in your career as well. So yeah, you can enroll for free, and you can click on the financial aid available. If you click on it, there will be certain questions that could be asked, and then eventually after completing those questions, after providing the feedback, you will be able to audit the course for free. Okay. I'm not just gonna do that, because I already have the financial aid available for this course. I just completed in last weekend. So please go through this course. I loved it, and you can see the testimonials over here as well. They are great for this one. Obviously this is not a sponsored video, so do not think twice going through this course. Yeah. This was it for this video. If you have any query, suggestion or doubt around this business intelligence course, which is absolutely free and which is great for someone who's want to like really transition to their career into data or business analysis, business intelligence analysis, so this is for them. Go through this course and do let me know in the comment section below if you really love this course. Yeah, bye bye for now, until we meet next time.